Okay, let's look at how to import libraries. The one way is just to import, simply just import. And if you want to give it a shortcut or a shorter name, just import something as this. It's really common to use give a short name np for numpy. Um, and you can import certain function from a script. So like you can just import function from the script. And also you can actually take a potential folder. You can read the script from that folder, so that you can not necessarily read the script from the current folder, which is default. You can also read from other folders as well, and then read from use the script this, and you can for import you can import all the function. You just do import star, then you can use all the function you want below. But it will be hard for the people who read this, who read to keep track of the functions. So I recommend you to just import specific functions.